Skim through these wallet details real fast. That's actual proof, nothing made up. If you're asking yourself how to secure even a portion of that stack, I've got you. I'll lay out the whole method clearly so you can finish off with clean profits. Just before we break down the whole game plan, let me warn you, skip pump fun. It's completely oversaturated. Anyone can throw up a project without paying a dime, and it's not worth competing there. Right now is the moment to take the premium route and chase legit gains. Launch Photon, set the filter to show Pump Fund DEX coins, and you'll notice launches happening constantly. A shit ton of coins keep launching, but none of them are sticking around. That's what you get when a platform lets anyone create a coin. It turns into total overload. Now that we're viewing Radium launches, the difference is obvious. Barely any new tokens coming in. Only a small handful have gone live recently. Compare that to Pump Fund, and you'll see a massive drop in noise. But the buzz here? It's unreal. Market cap stats are soaring compared to the usual Pump Fund ones. The reason's clear. Radium demands coding ability, so garbage projects don't make it through. That's why we're using this. Let me show you the full process. I found Launch Tool by total accident, and let me tell you, it's pure gold. This tool is wild. You can launch on Radium without knowing anything about coding, which makes it super easy to use. Just click through a few steps and it's done. It's been spitting out profits for me every week and still runs smooth as ever. Got my logo already. It's one I found on Google, and yep, it's another trending meme. That stuff always hits. I really recommend browsing around for the funniest and most viral images you can find. Those are the kinds of things that make buyers jump in right away. Works like a charm every time for me. Now go into Canva, hit Create a Design, change the size to 128 by 128 pixels, fix up any small things, and save it. Super simple and effective. Go over to Launch Tool and start adding your token information. I'm entering Rebrand Coin as the token name and using RBC as the symbol. Drop a funny line in the description. I picked, changed the name so many times it rugged itself. Upload the same logo we made earlier and hit Next. That'll bring you to tokenomics. Everything's already set properly, so don't touch it. The full 1 billion supply is crucial for a later step. Tap Next again, and now you'll be on the Creator Details page. Heads up, editing this section means you'll be charged 0.1 Sol. I usually just skip that part since it's not worth it. Flip it off and continue. After that, you'll see the social media input fields. Add links if you want, though I always leave them out. Let's move along. We've reached one of the most essential steps. Be warned, playing with these options can totally mess up your launch. You might be wondering what's the problem. If Revoke freezes off, it gives you the ability to shut down trading whenever you want. If you don't revoke minting, you're free to keep pumping out tokens endlessly. Not revoking update, that allows you to alter any part of the coin whenever you choose. Buyers will notice this quickly, and just one of those left untouched is enough to scare them off. That's how deals vanish, and so does your shot at real profit. Leave everything the way it is, then click Launch My Token. Your wallet window should pop up right after. Confirm the transaction like you normally would. That's all it takes to launch. You can now view all your tokens info. I'm pulling mine up on SolScan to verify. Yep, it's on the blockchain now, but it's still not tradable yet. One final step remains. Time to continue. Jump back into Launch Tool and hit the Create Liquidity Pool option. It'll send you over to Radium automatically. Before anything else, connect your wallet, then choose your meme coin as the base token. Click into the selection box, copy the address from Launch Tool, and paste it under the Select the Token section. Enter your coin specifics. I'll put RBC in the symbol section and Rebrand Coin in the name field. Select Add User Token and then click on your token again to confirm it's active. Add 900 million, standard amount from a 1 billion total supply. Choose Solana for the quote token. You're the initial buyer here, so hitting max is completely safe and won't lose you a cent. Be sure to keep 0.2 Sol out of your input. That's the required fee for pool setup on Radium, and it's shown in yellow text. Choose a 2% fee tier. When everything's in place, hit the Initialize Liquidity Pool button. Confirm the wallet transaction. And you're done. Your pool is active. Hop over to Photon, and you'll find your meme token listed. That step's complete, so let's take a look at the live chart now. Open up dexscreener.com and pick any available coin just to load the interface. Wait for it to fully finish loading. Then head back into Launch Tool, copy your token's address, and paste it into DexScreener where the existing address is. Hit Enter. The chart will go live immediately. You might notice a bit of action, but that's mostly bot buys showing up early. No need to pay attention to those right now. Let's give it a little time and see when the first order lands. Meanwhile, you can keep refreshing your Radium portfolio. Stick to the standard layout. You'll see your position show up underneath before long. It can take a few minutes to update. Oh snap, our first buy just landed. It shows $39, but let's just round it to $40 since it's basically the same, which comes out to around 0.23 Solana. And I didn't notice it earlier, sorry about that, but it was placed 4 minutes ago. Keep in mind that you may have to wait up to 1 hour to see results though. Wait, there's actually no way. A second $62 buy order just came through. That's 0.36 Solana, almost. And it's absolutely fresh. The transaction happened about 30 seconds ago. I guess investors are loving our coin so far. Some people are also selling, but that's not bad at all. It adds to the coin's volume and makes it more attractive to others, so please don't let that make you disappointed or sad. A third order just came in too. Let me scroll down a bit. Here it is. That's basically 0.7 Solana, or about $120. Liquidity's locked at $678, and market cap reads $829. But they keep updating, so even these numbers are temporary. What's wild is that this needs zero marketing to work. You can repeat this play again and again. Like I said earlier, this strategy is insane. While we are waiting for more orders, just check out this insane chart, folks. Its current growth is over 600% already. Absolutely crazy. Oh, and wait, just saw it. Give me just a second. Third order dropped, nearly $155 or 0.9 Solana. Absolute madness. Since the chart's showing a ton of sells, I'm planning to rug this coin right now. And guys, this demo is strictly educational, and keep in mind that results can differ. Let's do one last stats review before I finish off this rug. Liquidity has reached $792, market cap is at $1,218, and this token was paired only 26 minutes back. Big gains in barely any time. That's more than enough for me, so I'm cashing in. Go to Radium, log into your wallet, and select the standard section below. Click on the minus icon like this. Drag the slider right up to 100%. Focus on the sol balance. That's your actual reward. Press remove liquidity. Confirm the step. And there it is. The message confirming everything's done. That's your signal the funds hit your wallet. This right here is the payoff. Open Phantom and soak it in. I put about $200 in and ended up making nearly 2 times my initial investment. One quick thing, I'm not connected to Launchtool, Photon, or Radium in any way. What you've seen is for learning purposes only. The method's been wild, but no guarantees it'll hold up forever. If you're gonna act, now's the time.